Using an old iPad as a third monitor. I'm Hewie Poplock. Today I'm going to show you how I took an older iPad Air, one stuck in iOS 12.5.7, and turned it into a fully functioning third monitor for my Windows 11 Dell XPS computer. This is a great way to repurpose an old device, get more screen space, and make your desktop setup a lot more productive. Here's everything you need. Notice that this works even on an older iPad like mine. As long as it can reach iOS 12, you're good. The secret is the app called Duet Display, which turns the iPad into an actual external monitor. The first step is on the iPad. I went to the App Store, searched for Duet Display, and installed it. Duet automatically gives you the latest compatible version for your device. So even in iOS 12.5.7, it installs without any issue. Next, I installed Duet on my Windows 11 computer. You just go to duetdisplay.com, download the Windows installer, and install it like any other program. The important part is use the same account on both devices so they can talk to each other. Now the fun part. Plug the iPad into the PC using a regular charging cable and data cable. Once I opened the Duet app on the iPad, Windows detected it right away and instantly turned the iPad into a monitor. Windows sees the iPad just like any other monitor. I went to the display settings, grabbed the little monitor icon representing the iPad, and dragged it where I wanted it. In my case, to the right of my main screen. And that's it. The iPad became my third monitor. This is where it really shines. A third screen lets me keep extra items open without cluttering my main workspace. I use the iPad screen for things like email, ChatGPT, notes, Zoom windows, or a YouTube video off to the side while I work. I also use it to show me the participants in chat in a Zoom meeting. Because the connection is wired, it's very smooth, but these tips make it even better. A good quality cable matters. The iPad can drain fast, so keep it plugged in. And inside Duet, you can change resolution or frame rate for even better performance. I originally looked at Splashtop Wired X Display, but it's outdated and unreliable on Windows 11. Duet Display just worked. And for me, reliability was the most important thing, especially since I'm using it as a third monitor, not a gimmick. So to recap, this setup was simple and surprisingly fast. Install the app on both devices, connect the cable, choose extend the display, and you're done. So if you have an old iPad lying around, this is one of the best ways to bring it back to life. It adds screen space, it improves workflow, and it works beautifully with Windows 11. And if I can get it working with an old iPad Air, anyone can. I'm Hewie Poplock.